In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome. If you love darker interfaces because they're easier on the eyes at night, reduce glare, or just look cleaner, this quick setting in Chrome will make most websites appear with a dark theme automatically. Here's exactly how to set it up and what to expect. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We're going to a special settings page that holds experimental features. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome/flags and press Enter. This page looks different from the regular settings you might be used to, and that's okay. These options are powerful, so only change what we cover here. At the top of the flags page, you'll see a search box. Click it and type Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This feature tells Chrome to render the content of websites in a dark color scheme, even if the site doesn't provide a dark theme on its own. It works across most websites and applies to things like backgrounds, text, and UI elements inside the page. When you find Auto Dark Mode for web contents, look to the right for a drop-down that likely says Default. Click that drop-down and choose Enabled. You'll notice a small banner appear at the bottom of the window prompting you to relaunch the browser. That's normal, and it's required for the change to take effect. Click Relaunch in the bottom right corner. Chrome will close and reopen quickly, and your open tabs should come right back. After the relaunch, visit a few of your favorite websites. You should see darker backgrounds with light text across most pages. This works best on standard web pages and articles, and you might even notice it helps images and videos pop a bit more against the darker backdrop. A few tips to keep in mind. Because this is a forced dark mode, some sites may not look perfect. Occasionally, a logo or an image may appear slightly inverted, or colors might look different. If a particular site has its own built-in dark theme, consider using the site switch for the most accurate look. Also, this flag affects web content, not Chrome's own interface. If you want the browser interface dark as well, you can change Chrome's theme in your system or browser appearance settings. If you ever want to go back, return to Chrome, Flags, search for the same feature, and set it to default or disabled, then relaunch. That's it. Enjoy browsing the web in dark mode everywhere.